Well, good morning. This is our last day of touring, and we're going to the ancient town of Maresha. And we're going to do some archaeology. So watch this. Budding archaeologists out of the van, and let's go dig. You have to go down into a cave in order to do this. All the way down in there.
We'll be talking about you.
Here we are. All right, so now we're really starting to dig, and Harris is making some good progress. And Courtney, how are you doing there? Good. And Hannah, you?
The only thing about this area, try not to pass like this line because we don't want to get. Sometimes people get too close and then we have to fix the stairs. So.
Hey, Cookie, you're digging away. I see that. Good for you. Keep going. You gotta clean out this whole room before you leave.
I know.
You're still digging away, Cookie, huh?
Yeah, you never know what you're gonna find. I think this is just a rock. Just a rock.
How long have you been here?
3 years.
Did you find anything good come?
I don't think this is a rock.
I don't know. Ooh. Meanwhile, in this other room, people are digging out some real good stuff. This little girl at the bottom just found a big bone, and they're finding stuff. So I know this is kind of dark, but this is a old factory where they used to make olive oil, and there was water down here. All right, we have finished lunch, and we are now at the Ion Institute Museum. Let's see what surprises await us. All right, so the story about this place is that it's a kibbutz, but only on the surface. And underground, they made bullets in preparation for the 1948 independence. The entrance to the bullet factory was under the washing machine in that house, but we're going to go down a different way in a moment.
In the real original factory we're talking about for the past half an hour or so. Can you hear me? And almost everything you see here is authentic. The floor is the real floor they used to walk on. These corrugated walls and ceiling are original. The wall behind you isn't. It was built for museum purposes.
The way we came here, it was through a spiral staircase. It goes up to the surface. Was that good?
Yeah.
Very neat. Very neat.